Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add highlights to your text in Canva. Let me just use like a darker blue for this one, and then I'm going to go to the draw section. I'll select this like marker here, select the color. I'm going to select this color but like lighter, maybe like this one, and I'm going to try to like highlight the points that I want to highlight. So like here, it's very wonky. And make sure you add in some like fill in some stuff as well. So it's like thick and not just like lines, you know, like that. Then here. Then here as well. Oops. I don't know, something like that. Then you're going to go back to design and you're going to select this using your shift on the keyboard. Just like all the highlights. Right click, download selection, make sure it's a transparent background, and I'm going to press download. Then I'm going to open the folder here, and I'm just going to add it to the image, and I'm going to try to place it here, and I'm going to delete the rest of the... Oh, I did do it in different sections. Hold on. Let me just... Whoops. Let me just delete that because I didn't select everything. Let me just do it separately here. Sorry about that. There. That one looks a little bit better. And I'm just going to place it here, and I'm going to resize it to its original size, like right about here. Select edit image, and you're just going to select blur whole image and adjust the intensity. Go back, and that is it. Super simple. Now you have some highlights in your text. You can also do some shadows, but I just did highlights. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!